watching More My Love and I am Shubhoshri. So as you know that in More My Love we interact about parenting, child relationships and education and lot more. So everything, it is all about parenting and motherhood. So today our topic of discussion is why you should not shower your child with lots and lots of toys. So I know you may not agree to this at once, but just look at the points I'm presenting to you. Maybe next time you can change your mind. So the thing is, when we shower our children with tons of toys, there are many disadvantages. They are not being able to explore many things which they have in their life to explore. So let's see how this is a disadvantage when you are showering with child with tons of toys. Okay, so the first thing is less imagination scope. When a child is given, for example, you have given your child a remote control car. See, I'm not against anything, not against any intention of a parent to reward their child with toys, or if you like surprising your child frequently with toys, you're doing it great. There is no offense in that. But I just want to say, when you are giving something to your child, let your child handle that with grace. Let your child explore that to the full extent. Then you can buy another thing. So first point was that it lessens the scope of imagination. What does that mean? Like when you give your child a toy, a car for example, which runs by battery, it can be controlled with a remote. So they have a less imagination when they have all the things they need by their side. But side by side, if you watch a child who has maybe there is one car which he has and which doesn't run with the battery, he will try and renovate. He knows that the car needs to move because he has seen that in the road. What he will do, maybe he will tie a string in front of it and try to pull it out. So all these are the scopes of imagination. So let your child's brain explore, let your child think and imagine to a higher extent. Okay, there is lack of creativity. When you give your child everything, whenever there is a new toy coming up, you are showering with your child with that toy, then they will have a limited scope of imagination. The imagination comes to your child when they have less opportunity to explore. For example, as I told you before, their imagination, their creativity of work will expand when they have less. If you give them, maybe you have seen children playing with Play-Dohs. So what they will do is they will try to roll it out, make something out of it. These are interactive plays. These are things which you should give to your child, which let them be creative, which help them to imagine, to think and to explore. But if you give them toys with which they are just robotic, they are just playing with it, they don't have anything to give out to it, they don't have anything to learn from it, they don't have to imagine anything about it, then it's a problem. Another is lack of interest. Even when you are giving your child interactive toys repeatedly, they lack interest into it. I have seen the same thing with my child. When I give her repeated toys, maybe once or twice a week I buy toy for her, then it becomes very less important for her. She never tries to understand what is the value. I'm not talking about the price, but the value of the toy in her life. She doesn't recognize that. But when it is like once in a month or once in 2 months, then she literally explores the toy to the full extent. Like, what other things could be done? Maybe I can use this toy for some other thing. And all these ways she will try and explore the toy. And she will also have that value within her of that toy. She will think, okay, I possess this, I have earned this, or this is mine, I should protect it, I must take care of this. Okay, then the next point is less time to explore. So when you're bombarding your child with toys every other day, they literally have a very less time to explore it. So by the time they have not even seen the full functionality of the toy, you have given them another one. So now the other toy is kept aside. They will not touch that anymore. They will start with a new one, and like that it will go on. So that is not good actually. The last is, what will happen through the whole cycle when you give your, when you reward or award your child with toys every now and then. What happens, the after effect of this is, they will be fickle minded. Your child will be fickle minded. When they grow up, they won't have consistency in something. They won't have much patience of exploring things. They won't imagine things much. They won't let their brain explore new things, okay? And they will be fickle minded. They may not be able to concentrate in one thing for a long time, or they may not be able to continue doing thing for a long time. So these are all the after effects of showering your child with toys every now and then. So I would request you, give as much as required. Ask your child, give that time to explore, give them the opportunity to value the things which you buy for them, and I think it will be a better perspective. So if you are liking my videos by now, please like, subscribe and comment to my channel, and also press that bell icon. And if you have some other question regarding it, please write it to me in the comment section. Thank you.